Sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Ngifuna ukunitshengisa nje nginikhumbuza ukuthi mina ukuze ngikwazi ukukhumbula bullish reversal candlesticks ngawakhumbula kanjani ngenze kube lula ukuthi ngikwazi ukwakhumbula. So I'm sharing this trick with you ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi ungasaleli phela emuva na ukwazi ukwakhumbula your bullish reversal candlestick. Senzani masibona bullish reversal candlestick? The trick is easy. We buy them. We buy them. Imaphi lawe siwathengayo is tweezer bottom, hammer, bullish engulfing, morning star. What do we do with them? We buy them. Okay, aswabone ke. So the first one, njengoba nibona la, lana sibene downtrend representwa la candlestick side 3. All right, this was our first master candlestick. We closed below the low of this master candlestick, then we got the second master candlestick, then we closed below of this candlestick, then we got our third master candlestick. That is why we mark the high and the low of this master candlestick. All right, then on my right hand, I've got a green candlestick. So the green candlestick liqale kuphi at the equal position nani ne low ye candle lethu eli red. Angithi yabona lonto leyo. So because I low ne opening ye green candlestick yami zikuyi same position, zoyi2 zithinte ini the bottom line of the red candlestick sibiza ngokuthini. It's a tweezer bottom. It's a tweezer bottom. This one, all right? This one. Tweezer bottom because ilo the opening price, ilo of a red candlesticks, the opening price of a green candlestick, zigupi, zigui support zoi 2. So that's the principle yama tweezer bottom. It's either ilo the opening kuzoba sendaweni 1 or it's either closing ne opening zizoba sendaweni 1, then you know you have a tweezer bottom. Noma ke kuzoba yini ama wicks oyi2 abe sendaweni A1, kutholakala ukuthi ama low ne low ikuphi zisendaweni A1, then you will have what? Your tweezer bottom. All right, so we buy tweezer bottom, we buy tweezer bottom. All right, okay, asibonene elinye ikhandlela bafowethu. Sinani sine hammer. Yes, you heard me right. We have what? We have our hammer candlestick. So what happens is the hammer will always trade below the low, will trade below the low. Sibona ngani ukuthi trade below the low? Sibona ngomsila. Okay, the week guys, nabo, the week is below our red candlestick, but the body yethu, yes, closes above the body, closes above the low yani yekhandlela lethu eli red, and nomzimba uqhubeke uvale inside or between the high and the low yekhandlela lethu. In most cases that's what happens guys, okay, but the shape of the candlestick iyona ebaluleke kakhulu. All right, sometimes i-open yethu ingaba even kanje, yabona lonto leyo ingaba kanje. So it doesn't have to ukuthi ikhandlela lethu ibody ivale right there above the support. So ihama yethu sibona ngani ngomsila. That's the most important part because ama bears afikile I pusha imarket all the way down, but ama bears couldn't sustain the price ukuthi ihlale iphansi. Ama bulls angena and push the price up guys, yabo. Yes, push the price up until iziyongena futhi kwi-sideline lama bears. Okay, so iyona ke ihama yethu le. What do we do with the hammer? We buy them. We buy them. We buy the hammer. Okay, so sesina 2 yama candlesticks. We said it's a tweezer bottom, it's a hammer. What do? We buy them. So at the moment sesikhulume ngamakhandlela awu2 kulo them. Sikhulume ngobani? Ngo-tweezer bottom, sakhuluma ngo-hammer. Kushota ini manje? Engulfing candlestick. All right, let's go and see the engulfing candlestick. Wow, the price goes all the way up and close above the high of our master candlestick, noma the last candlesticks kuphi kuyi downtrend yethu or kuyi reversal yethu. So the body of these candlesticks is bigger than it's bigger than the body yekhandlela lethu eli red, and ivale above the high yekhandlela lani eli red, that we call ini bullish engulfing candlestick. So what is the next reversal candlestick, guys? Ngayikhumbula kanjani? It's a morning star. So we're just gonna move this one to this side and we bring back the stick and we say, aha, you see now, this is our morning star, yabo? This is our morning star candlestick. So what do we do with these candlesticks? We buy them. Aswakhumbuleni ke ama bullish reversal candlestick, because we want to buy them. One is tweezer bottom, is the hammer, is the bullish engulfing candlestick. It's a morning star pattern. Okay, what do? We buy them. Tweezer bottom, hammer, bullish engulfing, and morning star. What do we do with them? We buy them. What are they? They are bullish reversal candlesticks. Where do we get them? At the bottom or near the low of the last red candlestick in our pullback. Noma kuphi kuyi-low ye candlestick lokugcina, kuphi kuyi downtrend. Yebo!